Hi guys, and welcome to The Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. And today I am talking about all things coffee. We are making a really nice moist coffee cake that you can slice and have in the freezer for whenever you want that delicious cup of coffee. You can just take a slice out and have it ready to go, okay? Now the reason I'm talking about all things coffee is one, I'm very passionate about coffee because I love it, and I'm not very good in the morning before I've had one. But also I am talking about the coffee festival that is the Edinburgh Coffee Festival. They're coming to the Edinburgh Corn Exchange on Saturday the 5th of October. I love it. It's in its 5th year. It's a really good day out, so it's well worth looking at it. I'm going to put some information up on the screen and you can have a look at that just now. It's got tons of interactive workshops. It's got tastings and demos, and it goes through coffee equipment. There's also tea. There's a great cafe. There's fantastic demos. Well worth a shot. So let's get on and make this coffee cake, okay, to go with our delicious coffee. Okay, so we've got our milk, our sugar, our flour. We've used a delicious coffee that's really thick. You can use any coffee you like. You're just going to take some coffee, add a teaspoon to a tablespoon of water and make it into a thick paste. So the instructions will come up on the screen. So what we're going to do is at first we're going to get our butter actually. We're going to put our butter in our bowl. Okay, and this is just softened butter at room temperature. And we're going to use 1 cup of sugar, okay? And just put our sugar in. And we're going to start creaming this together. Okay, so I'm just going to use my electric whisk and start creaming. Let's go. Once you've got your butter and your sugar creamed together, you can then start to add in your flour. What you want to do is you want to take your baking powder and add it to your flour, and a half teaspoon of salt goes into your flour. Then you're going to add your flour to your about half of it. Add it to your already creamed sugar and margarine. Add about half the eggs and give it a whisk around, okay? Okay, when that's whisked, you're just going to add your other halves in. So your 3 eggs, the rest of your eggs, the rest of your flour, and then you're going to add in your dissolved coffee, okay? And it goes, oh, this is going to be so rich and delicious. Okay, use your favourite coffee blend, whatever one you want, and let's give it another mix. Finally guys, just for the last mix, you're just going to add in your milk, okay? Your milk is your last thing that you add in. Give it another mix around and you're ready to start putting it into your tin. Now if you can hear me above this is going to be absolutely delicious. It's going to cook for an hour and 10 minutes. I'm cooking it in a loaf tin. When it comes out, I'm going to let it cool. Then I'm going to freeze it, and you can slice it before you freeze it if you want, okay? So you can slice before you freeze. And here we go. Look, this is exactly what it looks like. It took 5 minutes, really easy and simple to do. Now, if you are near Edinburgh Coffee Exchange on the 5th of October, Edinburgh Coffee Exchange? Edinburgh Corn Exchange, then get yourself along and come and see the coffee festival, okay? It's a great day out. It's got some yummy, scrummy things like this coffee cake that go tremendously well with all these different coffees, and it's got fantastic experts there that can help you out and tell you all about different coffees, different machines, different equipment, lots of stuff going on, so why not give it a go? We're going to get this in the oven and we're going to come back and see what it looks like once it's baked, okay? Well guys, it's 1 hour and 5 minutes later and we have cake. Gorgeous coffee cake, okay? So if you have friends coming over, or if you just want to enjoy a really nice cup of coffee, you can have a piece of coffee cake on the side that you've already got made. I've got some bagged up here now, ready to go in the freezer. I just took it out, allowed it to cool, sliced it, but kept it together, and then wrapped it and put it in the freezer. That means that I can just pull off each slice, leave it for 10-15 minutes, it'll defrost, and you can enjoy a really nice piece of homemade cake with a coffee at any time. Why not head out and give the Edinburgh Coffee Festival a go on the 5th of October, and also try my coffee cake. It's really good. You can check me out on The Batch Lady and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and please follow me and like it. Okay, take care, bye.